Hello everyone, welcome to this video on getting started with Bold BI. In this video, we will discuss the following. What is Bold BI? How to register with Bold BI? And how to create a simple dashboard. So, what is Bold BI? Bold BI is a cloud-based business intelligence dashboard software by Syncfusion for creating, managing, and sharing interactive business dashboards with end users. It includes a powerful dashboard designer to build dashboards easier. Using Bold BI, you can connect with more than 80 data sources, easily combine data, build dashboards with simple drag-and-drop widgets, and collaborate with other users. You can even subscribe to dashboard reports to monitor updates on a scheduled basis. There exist various dashboard examples with live demos for each domain under the Solutions menu on the Bold BI website homepage. For example, in the Finance domain, you can see the Financial Management Dashboard, which analyzes accounts receivable and accounts payable reports for critical financial performance indicator assessment. By clicking the Live Demo button, you can interact with that dashboard. This doesn't require you to register with Bold BI. Using the Integrations menu, you can check the list of data connections supported in Bold BI. The Bold BI User Guide, Getting Started documents, tutorial videos, and related blog posts are accessible through the Resources menu. You can also contact us by submitting your question here, or if you already have an account, please log in to submit your question. Now let's look into registering with Bold BI. To start with Bold BI dashboards, you must first register with Bold BI. For that, navigate the pricing menu and click Start Your Trial. This will redirect you to the registration page. Now, fill in your credentials and click the Get Started button to get your new site created under the Bold BI domain. Once your email is verified, you will be redirected to your dashboard site. Now on to creating a dashboard. Let's start by creating a simple dashboard. Click the Add button available in the left navigation bar. Now, the Create Dashboard sliding panel opens. A dashboard can be created either from scratch or using built-in dashboard templates. First, let's see how to create a dashboard from scratch. Click Start from Scratch. Enter a name for your dashboard and click Add and Design. Now, the Dashboard Designer interface opens so you can start designing your dashboard. The Dashboard Designer consists of a toolbar at the top, a toolbox on its left containing widgets, an editor pane at the center of the page, and a navigation panel on its right with a data source pane and properties pane. You can add a data source for the dashboard using the Data Sources panel available here. Drag the widget to the canvas and connect the created data source. You can customize the widget to your needs through the settings available in the Properties pane. We'll explore more options in the Dashboard Designer and how to connect your data in a separate video named Creating Your First Dashboard available in this playlist. Finally, you will see the sample dashboard created. Now, you can publish and visualize it. Next, let's see how to create a dashboard using a template. Click the Add button available on the left side navigation bar and choose Start from Template. Here, you can see the built-in dashboard templates available for each domain. Let's explore a Google Analytics dashboard with sample data. For that, click Load with Sample Data. You will be notified once the dashboard is created. Now, open the dashboard. A Google Analytics dashboard has been created to analyze website traffic using sample Google Analytics data. You can also visualize this dashboard using your own Google Analytics data. For that, click Connect Your Data at the top. Fill in your credentials by clicking Connect New Account, and click to continue. The dashboard is updating with your credentials. Now the dashboard is ready with your Google Analytics data. Similarly, you can choose any ready-to-use built-in dashboard template available and connect with your data to create a dashboard quickly. In this video, we have seen an overview of Bold BI, how to register for Bold BI, and how to create a dashboard from scratch, as well as from a predefined dashboard template. In our next video, we will explore in detail creating your first dashboard with Bold BI. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.